Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with an InLoveArt design team project share, and I am super excited to show you some of the new dies that they have available in their stores, and we are doing all of the fun holidays. So let's get started. I'm going to show you the dies first, and then we'll go get into the project share. So I have this little set here, and it gives you all of the necessities for a fun little Christmas project. I think it's so cute. You got the poinsettias, this beautiful bow, the bells, all the little tucking little greeneries, and a little snowflake, and it's just a perfect little set. And then I have this set here, and it is a 3-layer Christmas tree, and it's super cute, and I can't wait to show you an embellishment that I created with it. Next up, we have this little bow, and it is so dang cute with the little antlers. It is so special. I'm so excited to have this. Another fun little bow set, and I do love their bows. They cut like butter. And then I got these little bunnies. I just think they're so cute. They're so small, and they are just a perfect little ephemera piece. Let's see. Next up, I have this little bow set, and it's like an ornament. It is an ornament set. So this bow is absolutely darling, and it comes with these little pine tucking little pieces, and this is a little layering for the ornaments. Such a sweet little set. And then I also have this it is a one piece. So if you look at this die, it doesn't have the edge. So you can make this as long and short as you want. And I think it's a really fun little set. And this is another little layering piece, or you can just use this individually. It is darling. And I do love the little hearts. I think this will be perfect for a Valentine project. I also have this little rainbow die, and this does cut out each layer, so you can run it several times and then just cut out the rainbow. I also have this little snowflake set. So cute. You can make this a shaker, and it is just a sweet and darling little piece. I also have these little nesting triangles, and it comes with 5 different dies in the set. And it's actually a frame, so the outside layer will cut out these little scallops, but they do have the stitching inside, which is really a nice little alternative. So, okay, let's get into this project share. Oh, and also I got these cabochons, and these are little hollow resin cabochons. And they are flat backs, and they're hollow, and I did pick them up in the pink and this really pretty yellow. Look how cute this is. So they can make great charms or little accent pieces to your projects, and I'll show you how I use them in mine. So we are doing little holidays, so let's get started on my project share. So I'm going to show you these little Christmas trees first, because I think they're just absolutely darling. And I just layered them up in different green papers, and use this stump. I did switch it up a little bit and then add some sequins on top. I just think it's just kind of like a, I don't know, Charlie Brown looking tree. I love the shape of it. The star is absolutely darling, and this also comes with the set as well. I think it is super fun, an interesting looking tree, and I just double layered each layer that it came up with. I just think the contrast in the dark and light colors just give it a little fun pop, and the sequins, of course, just makes it extra festive and shiny. So that's adorable. And then I have these little ornaments with the fun bow, and I created these little present embellishments. So like a little Christmas ball set, and then of course I used that really fun little pine tucking thing, and then I added some snowflake buttons on top. I did double layer the bow because I just love that little peekaboo of gold underneath. And I think these came out super cute. I can't wait to layer these on a project. I think they're fun pieces to have. And then I did not actually get to do anything with the rainbow, but I wanted to show you how I cut them out. So here I backed this. I actually backed the whole thing on a 110-pound cardstock, and then I layered this in, cut the outside out in glitter, and then just cut it out in different different color cardstock, and I think it came out super cute, and I can't wait to use this on a project. But for this one, I actually used foam. And you can kind of see all of the different layers here, but I did glue in between. But I love when you cut out the foam, it actually kind of pops out a little bit. So I took some of these pieces and then put them in here. And I love this little white glitter piece that I cut out from this one. And it is super cute. You can add this on a card, or I don't know, but it's a really fun little rainbow piece, and I can't wait to make a future card or embellishment with it. Super sweet. And then here are the little bows. Oh my goodness, these are so stinking cute. I love the little antlers, and I had to cut them out of white glitter foam. I think they're just so sweet. I did double layer these in I did use both the little bows, and this one is a little bit more flatter. I used just one. Kind of like the single bow on its own, just because it just lays flatter, but the antlers are so stinking cute. I'm so thrilled with them. This is a really cute bow set. I did, of course, wrap each and every one of them, just because I feel like it's extra security when you're doing a bow. And then I just added a little button as a center. This one I just added a little snowflake sequence. And again, this is a fun bow set to have in your stash. Now I'm going to show you this interesting little piece here, and this is that I don't know what you call this, I saw this and I thought of a bag topper. So I did create two, and you can see I laid it on top of a big doily. And I think that, again, this, you can cut this as long and as short as possible. I like the sturdiness of the bag to create a little longer. And then all I did was take some of those fun little holiday set that comes with all of these little pieces here. Again, I think this is a must-have in your like Christmas crafting, because you can add them anywhere. So I took those little green stems, I added them as a little focal point. I did this Sizzix Snowflake Rosette, and then I just created this little embellishment with that bow that comes in this set. Again, super adorable. I love this. I did layer the little strip that comes with this die, and I think it just gives that little pop of color when you're layering on top of this little thing. And then here I have another one. I kept this fairly simple. Again, I cut it and then I just layered up that little in pink shimmer cardstock. I put a little ribbon right through the center, and then I put the Snowflake Rosette to the side. I added this little fun little resin piece that I made using a Frank Garcia mold. And then I just added some fun little string things and this little chipboard season's greeting. Again, these bag toppers are done, ready to go, super sweet. This little poinsettia, just in case you're wondering, is a Heartfelt Creations poinsettia. Love it. It's one of my favorites. So, all right. And then next up, I have the little snowflakes. And this is the fun little layering snowflake. I love this die so much, and it cuts so good. So I created this really fun embellishment. I did emboss the back, and then I cut the layering snowflake in foam, and then I cut the intricate piece in this pink shimmer paper. And this ice skate is actually an InLoveArt ice skate that I showed in my previous design team project share, and I love it. I put a little pink twine, and I just layered up two of these top of each other, put a banner right in the middle, and then I just, layered it up, and then it says Winter Wonderland with a Tim Holtz chipboard, and I think it came out super cute. And then I wanted to make a mini ornament, and I created a shaker. So this does come with the circle inside, and all I did was cut the middle piece out of the top, and I cut another backing piece. I did stitch all around and then added some fun sequins. I took this double layer bow and then just kind of like made a little wave out of it. And I added Nuvo drops all over. And I love how this came out. I love this paper. This is using the new Christmas Sparkle collection, which I did not mention. And it is so sweet. I love this paper. It's one of my favorite. The colors of the blue, I thought it was really cute. I did add Nuvo all around the acetate, Nuvo all around the snowflake. I've been obsessed with that stuff. And then I added a pink seam binding just to add this if you wanted to make this an ornament or hang this as a tag on your outgoing packages. And then last up, I have this little triangle. I love the shape of this. I love a scallop. And like I mentioned before, it is a frame. So it does cut out the inside pieces. I secured the back with some double-sided tape. You don't have to pull out the double-sided tape and just leave it as is. And then I just layered this other piece here so I can make this a hanging element, because I wanted this to like hang on a package when I sent some outgoing mail. And this is a previous InLoveArt little stocking set that I had, that I created in my last project share. This is a poinsettia that comes in that little Christmas set, this one here. And I use some of those stems, and I love how this came out. That's the little bunny. Again, I just cut him out in some glitter paper. I just layered him up with some shimmer. And here is that little resin heart. And I love how this came out. I think it's such a cute little hanging piece that you can use on your packages, outgoing packages. I did put a little snowflake in the back just to give it a little peekaboo. But other than that, that is it for my project share, you guys. I hope you found inspiration, and I will leave product information down below if you are interested. And that is it for my video today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.